Hey everyone, if your privacy and security settings keeps freezing on iOS 18, here's how to fix it. So let's get started. First of all, you have to reset the text size on your iPhone. To do it, you have to open settings, then go to display and brightness, and then you have to adjust the slider to default. Like here you can see that display zoom, just take it on the default icon and then reopen your settings and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then you can try force restart on your iPhone if the issue persists. So you have to do that. Hold your volume up and side button together and just turn to slide off, and that's it. Then restart your iPhone again. This should resolve your problem. And also check for software updates on your iPhone. Like if any update is available, just update your iPhone to the latest version, and that's it. Apple is aware of this bug and will likely fix it in future updates. So make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone fixes. See you next time on another video.